Yesterday night, I had wonderful dreams. In those dreams, I was not a Spider-Man, nor a Superman. I was just a simple Tibetan kid who had been a refugee in India. We Tibetans were born to make peaceful and compassionate communities in the world. Like other Tibetan kids, I was privileged to develop myself a good human being in one of the best Tibetan schools in India. I felt so lucky and happy for being so fortunate. It was more delightful and overwhelming joy for being able to grow up under the grace of His Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama, and many other good people. With the flash of time, an additional dream continued. In that dream, I felt utmost happiness to be able to serve the community where I was grown up, just after completing postdoctorate research fellowship at Harvard University. It was also pleasant to have a friend in the dream who was a great change maker in the world. Though she dropped out her formal education after completing a bachelor's degree in humanity in India, I wish those dreams continue in real life. May those dreams be true for many people.